Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the best in production. In this video, I'm going to show you how I came up, how I designed, how I created my Diablo Cojuelo horn using a method that I learned a couple of months ago. It's very simple, very straightforward. So let's get to it. The first thing that you need to do is gather the material. This is what I have. Aluminum foil. Doesn't matter which type you use. Aluminum foil, it could be cheap, expensive, whichever you prefer. Marking tape. There you have it. Marking tape. And the main ingredient, the main material, cardboard. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I did it. The first step that I took was I cut the cardboard to pieces. Here you have it. Cut it to pieces. Then I came up like this. Assemble it together. Assemble it together. Okay, with tape, with marking tape. I made a few of this already, so I'm not gonna go through the process. Made already 3 of them. Then you're gonna stack them up, one on top of the other. Right, there we go. Until you come up with the bottom shape. This is the mold. This is the original one that I made. You see, you stack them up. Once you stack them up, you're gonna cut the other cardboard to a smaller size. I'm gonna show you why. Because you want to start putting the smaller side with it inside the bigger side and bend them like this. So you could give them that round shape as the horn grows. Right? Once you have that shape, you're gonna wrap it up with as you go. You wrap it up with marking tape, or you could use hot glue to tie it up. It's up to you. Now, the most important thing, I'm gonna start designing, creating, building horns like this one. I already made some out of the original mold. How I did it, like I said, the first method, I grabbed the aluminum foil, wrinkle it up. Why I do this? So it could get stronger. It could be more steady. Wrap it up. You could start from bottom to top, top to bottom, doesn't matter. Then I'm gonna wrap it up. Wrap it up, and I start applying the tape to the aluminum foil. Make sure make sure the tape doesn't touch the original mold, otherwise it's gonna get sticky. It's gonna be difficult to get it out. Okay. Put more tape. Don't press too hard yet, just softly. Nice and smooth. If you have an open space like this, just add more aluminum foil. If you want to avoid hassle, have your tape ready. Put them in the table, put them in the side, so you don't have to waste time. It's a nice project to get involved with. More tape. more aluminum foil. You shape it up with your hands. And you have tape as you go. That's how I made my Diablo Cojuelo horn. I'm gonna show you all those little pieces. Just put them together. I think back home in DR, in Dominican Republic, they use cow's horns. I don't have a cow over here in the US, so I'm using the method that I'm showing you to make my horn. These are the same steps, the same principles. And there you have it, guys. I just created a Diablo Cojuelo horn using this method: cardboard, aluminum foil, marking tape, and glue. There you have it. Thank you for watching. Omarete Vilato, Basement Production.